Today I have a BMW X5 and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the windshield wipers on this vehicle. As well as turning on and off the windshield wipers, I'm going to show you how to turn on the windshield washer for the front and windshield washer for the back. Okay, I'm going to show you how to turn on the wiper for the back as well. But before we get started, could you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's get going. So I'm sitting inside of the vehicle, the BMW X5, and I am going to control the windshield wipers by looking through the steering wheel. And do you see this lever right here? This lever right here is the lever that controls the windshield wipers. All right, now if I press it down once like this, it will wipe the windshield once. Did you see that? That's for just wiping it just once. And then when you release it, it automatically goes back to the off position. Now, if I raise it just one notch, it goes into the auto position right there, where it automatically detects if there's rain or something on the windshield, and it will turn on. And with that, you can adjust this from slow to fast, how fast you want the automatic to actually work. Okay, once it's in automatic. Next, if I wanted just to take this to low, I go to right here. I just go up one notch, and it's in low mode right here. And if I go to one more all the way up, it goes to high, and the windshield wipers are on high. Now to turn them off, I'm simply going to go right here and pull this all the way down like that. Now that it's all the way down, if I want to wash my windshield, I just simply pull on this lever towards me. Do you see that? It's washing the windshield right there. And then when I release it, it wipes a few times and it stops spraying. All right, so that is for the windshield. What about the rear? All right, so I just sprayed the windshield with washer fluid. Now I'm going to spray the rear window with washer fluid, and I just simply take the same lever and push it down. Oop, I didn't do that right. Didn't do that right. Hold on one second. Oh, okay. So, all right. So, my mistake. So, if I want the rear washer to go, I just simply take this, either twist it that way all the way, or I can twist it that way all the way. And see what happens? Washer fluid comes out through the back, just like that. Do you see that? Now, to turn the rear wiper on, I just simply take this lever, turn it to the on position like that. Do you see that? And when I want to turn it off, I just simply go to the off position right there. All right, so that's how you turn on and off the windshield wipers on a BMW X5. It's also how you wash the windows on the BMW X5. Hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.